Welcome to Sammy's Critter Chronicles, where we learn, love, and grow together through the animals who share our lives. And today, we're talking about something truly amazing: dogs that can sense when something is wrong before we even know it ourselves. Did you know some dogs can detect seizures before they happen? Not during, not after, but sometimes minutes or even longer before an episode begins. And the question is this something only highly trained service dogs can do? Or can you actually teach your own dog to help you? Part 1. What dogs can detect. Seizures are just one of many medical conditions dogs have been trained to detect. Dogs experience the world through scent and subtle changes, in ways we can't even imagine. Here are 6 incredible things dogs can detect. Seizures. Some dogs notice chemical changes in the body before a seizure begins and will alert their person. Low blood sugar or hypoglycemia. Especially helpful for diabetics, dogs can detect drops in glucose through scent, high or low blood pressure changes. They may sense dizziness or fainting episodes before they happen. Migraines. Many people report their dog becomes clingy or alert before a migraine hits. Narcolepsy episodes. Dogs can recognize patterns that signal sudden sleep attacks. Certain cancers. Research has shown dogs can detect cancer-related changes through smell alone. It's not magic. It's their incredible ability to detect tiny changes in scent, behavior, and energy. Part 2. Do you need a professional dog? So, do you have to get a professionally trained medical alert dog? The answer is, it depends. Professionally trained dogs go through extensive, structured training, can cost thousands of dollars, are often very reliable for severe medical needs. Here's something many people don't realize. Some dogs naturally begin alerting their owners on their own. And with guidance, patience, and consistency, you can train your own dog to recognize and respond to your specific needs. Part 3. How seizure detection works. Before we get into training, it helps to understand what your dog is noticing. Dogs may be picking up on the following: changes in your scent, like when your body chemistry shifts. Subtle behavior changes. Breathing patterns. Hormonal changes. Each dog is different, and not every dog will become a reliable seizure alert dog. But many can still become seizure response dogs, which is just as valuable. Part 4. 6 detailed training steps. Here's a more detailed look at how to start training your own dog. 1. Build a strong bond first. Your dog needs to be deeply connected to you. Trust, attention, and consistency come before any advanced training. Spend daily focused time together. Practice basic obedience like sit, stay, and come. 2. Track your episodes. Start noticing patterns. Time of day. What you feel before it happens. Physical or emotional changes. This helps you recognize what your dog might be picking up on. 3. Introduce scent training. If possible, use items like the following: worn clothing from before an episode, cotton pads with your scent. Let your dog smell these and begin associating that scent with a reward. 4. Capture natural alerts. Does your dog already do the following with you? Stares at you. Paws you. Acts restless. Any of these can be your starting point. The moment they show that behavior, mark it. Good. Reward immediately. You're teaching them. This is important. 5. Teach a clear alert behavior. Choose one consistent action: pawing your leg, nudging your hand, or sitting straight up. Barking once. Lying against you. Train it separately, then pair it with the scent or behavior cues. 6. Train a response action. This is just as important as detection. Teach your dog to stay with you. Bring a phone. Alert another person. Lie next to you for comfort. Even if detection isn't perfect, Response training can still be life-changing. Keep sessions short, calm, and positive. This is a journey, not a race. Part 5. Realistic Expectations. It's important to be honest here. Not every dog will become a seizure alert dog. And even trained dogs aren't 100% accurate all the time. But even a dog that stays with you, comforts you, gets help, can make a huge difference in safety and peace of mind. These animals, they don't just live with us. They watch over us. They learn us. And sometimes, they protect us in ways we don't even fully understand. If you've ever noticed your dog doing something unusual before you weren't feeling well, I would truly love to hear your story in the comments. And if you're on this journey, just know you're not alone. From our home to yours, this is Sammy's Critter Chronicles. Be sure to share this video to someone who needs it. See you in the next video.